Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos. Welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. In this episode, I would join a couple of kayak friends to fish the river on the eastern bay of Maryland for striped bass, white perch, and speckled sea trout. I would use a 1/8 ounce to 1/4 ounce jig head with 4-inch plastic paddle tails. I would also use an 1/8 ounce pedal spin. The weather would be great for our 7 a.m. launch with low winds, a high temperature of 77 degrees, and partly cloudy skies. We would be fishing an outgoing tide with the low tide at 11:29 a.m. Well, it's June 19th. Happy Juneteenth, everyone. And it's about 70 degrees out here, and I'm gonna try to look for some trout and rockfish and perch at this Eastern Shore River. We'll see how it goes. The water temperature is running around 73.4 degrees, and I'm with 3 other kayakers.
Yeah, I think I got something. It's either grass I got or a fish, one or the other. It is the grass fish. See, it's a grass fish. And it is a stupid striper. Just caught another stupid little striper. Oh great, the cow-nosed razorback. Oh, this one's submerged. I saw his wings flapping above the surface. He was a big one too. Yep, there he is. If you can see his wings barely on the surface. Let me see if I can get a closer look. I think there was one splash behind. Oh no. There he is. There's 2 of them. Let me get away from them. They have a habit of hooking onto your line and dragging you across the river. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. No, rockfish. This particular one was on an 1/8 because it was shallow water. $19 and a quarter. First keeper of the day. 19 and a quarter inch, or a little more than a 1/4 inch rockfish. Yes. Okay. There you go. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh, it was a perch. I lost it. I horsed it. Shouldn't have done that. Not gonna horse this one if it's a perch. Oh, it's a little one. Alright, throw him back. Alright. This one hit pretty good. Oh, nice perch. Oh yeah. Just throw him in the boat. I won't leave this up here now. From now on. All right. Just put some gulp on I tipped my beetle spin with gulp, and I just got a hit. On the perch. He seemed to like that. Little guy. Yeah, he's too small. I don't want him. Yep. Oh, did I get him? I got him. But all I've been getting were little ones. This one's reasonable, but, 9 inches or so, but. Well, he no longer counts. We can't hope for him. Unless you get him in the boat permanently. Oh, I saw that. Well, the tide slowed down, so the fishing shut down too. I ended up catching about 5 white perch and 1 19 3/8 rockfish. That's about what he measured in the end. We're probably going to start heading back to shore in a little bit, go get something to eat, and then I got to go and prepare for crabbing tomorrow. So tomorrow's my birthday, and so that's going to be my crabbing birthday trip. And then today is the June 19th trip.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.